Are you looking for ways to earn money in Pakistan but don't know where to start? Whether you're a student, a housewife, or someone looking for extra income, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 10 practical and easy to follow methods to start earning money in Pakistan, both online and offline. Let's dive in. The first method is freelancing. Pakistan is the fourth largest freelancing market in the world. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to sell your skills in graphic design, writing, programming, and more. Learn a skill, create a profile, and start earning from the comfort of your home. Next is online tutoring. If you're good at teaching subjects like math, English, or even Quranic studies, you can teach students online using apps like Zoom or Skype. Platforms like Preply also connect you with students worldwide. Are you creative? Start a YouTube channel or a TikTok account. Share educational, entertaining, or lifestyle content. Once you grow your audience, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency is key. E-commerce is booming in Pakistan. You can sell products on Daraz or even start your own Shopify store. If you prefer offline work, start a small business. Home-baked goods, food carts, or handmade crafts are always in demand. Use social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook to promote your business. If you have programming skills, you can create mobile apps or games and publish them on the Google Play Store. Earn through ads, in-app purchases, or by selling premium features. This is a long-term strategy but highly profitable. Blogging is another great option. Write blogs on topics like health, travel, or technology. Use affiliate marketing to earn commissions when people purchase through your links. Platforms like Google AdSense also pay you for ads on your blog. Looking for a stable job? Apply on platforms like Rosie.pk or LinkedIn. Update your CV and search for opportunities in fields like IT, marketing, or finance. Government jobs are also a great option if you prepare well for exams. So, these were 8 ways to start earning money in Pakistan. Remember, success takes time, effort, and consistency. Pick a method that suits your skills and interests, and start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.